Understanding the colorful world of adjectives. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic: adjectives. You may have heard this term before, but what exactly does it mean? And how can you use them effectively in English? We're going to explore all of this and more, so stay tuned. Before we get into the types of adjectives, let's quickly recap what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It gives us more information about people, places, animals, things, or ideas. Adjectives might tell us about size, color, number, quality, feeling, shape, sound, taste, and more. Think of words like beautiful, old, 3, delicious, noisy. All of these are adjectives. Now, onto the main course. There are various types of adjectives, and understanding them can help improve your language skills. Here are the main categories. 2.1 Descriptive adjectives. These are the most common type of adjectives and are used to express the characteristics or qualities of a noun or pronoun. For example, in the sentence, I have a big, black dog. Big and black are both descriptive adjectives. 2.2 Quantitative adjectives. These adjectives are used to describe the quantity, or how much there is of something. They answer the question, how many? Or, how much? For instance, I have 3 apples, or, she has some friends. 2.3 Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out and distinguish the noun or pronoun they modify. They answer the question, which one? Words like this, that, these, those are examples of demonstrative adjectives. For example, I don't like those shoes. 2.4 Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership. They include words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, this is my book. 2.5 Interrogative adjectives. These are used in questions. They include what, which, and whose. For example, whose phone is this? 2.6 Distributive adjectives. These refer to individual items among a group and include words like each, every, either, neither. For example, she gave each student a book. And there we have it, folks. We've explored the colorful and expressive world of adjectives. Remember, adjectives are a fantastic way to add detail and depth to your English speaking and writing, so don't be afraid to use them. I hope this video has helped clarify the different types of adjectives. Keep practicing and, as always, happy learning.